This is a short film about a common experiment we carried out within the Multisward project. 5 sites across Europe were involved in this experiment. This film shows you the experiment in Aberystwyth in West Wales, UK. The common experiment was set up because there's a lack of information on the relationships between swards containing diverse mixtures of forage species and grazing animal performance. We analysed the yields of plots under cutting and grazing managements. The common experiment is composed of 2 elements. First, the effects of diverse mixtures on animal intake, live weight gain, milk production and quality. And secondly, the effects of grazing animals on plant biomass production and species composition over time. In both these elements, we compare diverse mixtures of grasses and legumes with monoculture plots of perennial ryegrass receiving high inputs of mineral nitrogen fertilizer. This gives us a realistic agronomic reference point. In Aberystwyth, we found that biomass production in diverse grass-legume mixtures under cutting and grazing regularly exceeds that of heavily fertilised ryegrass. This represents a really significant potential saving for farmers and the environment.